Hey everyone, I am so happy. I just managed to make myself a cup of coffee. Now, normally that wouldn't be such a big deal, I guess, but I've got no filters. And the drip maker doesn't have a refillable filter. So I tried putting grounds in the cup and pouring boiling water onto it. Waited a couple of minutes and it just tasted terrible. I think my dark roast coffee that I have here, West Coast dark roast, doesn't do well when allowed to sit for a while. So I had a bit of an epiphany here sitting on the computer. Check out what I just did. A little bit of coffee grounds. A little bit more. Take our boiling water. Let that sit for 5 minutes and come right back. Alright, the coffee has had a moment to steep. Now, how are we going to filter this? I don't have any paper filters. I don't want to just leave it like that. So, we're going to use a mask. Put a mask over the coffee. Actually, it might be better to do it like this. This doesn't look like it's very easy to pour from to begin with. We'll do it over this thing. I think next time I'm going to go without the cup and just do it like this. Isn't that wonderful? Let's see how much coffee is in there. Cup is almost full. Can use a little bit more water. Alright, I'll lift up these two handles. Oh no, we can definitely put more water in that. Now the cup is full. We take our coffee grounds, dump that into the garbage by flipping it upside down. That gets almost all of the grounds out of it. And it's all clean, ready for second use. And I have my cup of coffee. Oh yeah, this is a total success. And that is how you make coffee with a mask when you don't have any filters. Oh, how cool was that? This mask business has some strange, unexpected benefits. Say you ran out of coffee filters and you don't want to go outside to the store and order more or get more or whatever and expose yourself to this terrible pandemic going on, and hey, you have some extra fabric masks. Why not use them? Bonus, they are kind of partially sanitized and washed out now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like or a dislike, whichever one you feel is the correct one, and have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all again soon. Cheers.